Hi guys, welcome to GCText. I am so glad that you have signed up for our platform. The first thing I want to do in this tutorial series is I want to show you how to set up your plan and or change your plan options. Once you've signed up, hopefully you've already been here and you've signed up and now you need to re-log back in. You can go to this login page right at GCText.com. And that's going to take you to your login platform for your backend system for texting. So you'll put in your username and password and you'll click login. And that is going to take you right here to your dashboard. So you can see there's lots of stuff going on back here and there's going to be different videos that walk you through those things. But I'm going to show you right now how to buy credits, because when you first sign up for an account, you are signing up with 10 free credits. So you can check out the system back here at no cost. And so if you do, decide, yeah, I want to do this, I've got a big list of people, or I know exactly how I want to start building my list, then you're going to want to obviously upgrade your account. So you're on the dashboard right here. You just go to this button right here, which says buy credits or change plan. And so I'm going to click on buy credits. And this is going to take you to our page where, in case you haven't put in your credit card information, you're going to want to do that here. So buy credits means I just want to buy 500 credits, or I just want to buy 100 credits. It's going to tell you how much it's going to cost, and you can put in whatever custom amount of credits that you want. You come over here, you agree to the terms, and you click purchase. And obviously, it'll ask you to add in a credit card. So if you want to just buy however many credits you want, you can do that. It can last you as long as you need, or I'm going to go back to the home screen. So you hit the logo up here, and I'm going to say change plan to the plan I'm on right now. And this will take you to our plan page. So as you can see, we have our, our basic plan, our plus plan, our elite plan. And then if you keep scrolling, we have a gold plan as well. And we do custom plans. So if you know that you've got a huge list, you're texting multiple times, and you need, who knows, this is 25,000 credits, but if you need more than that, you can reach out to us and we'll customize a plan for you. So you would select the plan that you want, and this goes down to like a base plan too. So if you're going from, I have, 10,000 credits, but I need to go down to, paying $0 a month for right now, you can totally toggle through that throughout your time with us. So you would just click the plan, you would say, I want to upgrade, and then it would take you to the I agree to purchase screen. And then you would just click purchase. It's already got your credit card information. So like I said, if you want to change that plan, you can just come in here and you can say, you know what, for me, it's an upgrade. For you, it might be a downgrade. And you'll click that and it will walk you through the process here on the back end. So that's it. That is how you change your plan. It's really simple. And then the credits are flushed into your account each month.